A very good morning to class 6 student. Class 6 student, now we are going to revise the fill-ups of chapter number 1, the computer system. In this chapter, we'll already know about the fill-ups. Dash is a set of program that governs the operation of a computer system. Which is a set of programs? Set of programs को क्या कहते हैं? Software. Software is a set of program that governs the operation of a computer system. Then the next one, a software acts as an interface between the user and the user के साथ कौन इंटरफेयर होता है? इंटरफेस होता है कंप्यूटर. Then the third one, dash computer as the last least powerful and are most commonly used microcomputers. And the fourth one, general purpose computer are used to process data in continuous in nature. Dash language is composed of 0 and 1. Which language is composed in 0 and 1? Binary language. And the assembler is used to convert input the assembly language into a machine language. Assembler is a type of a converter. Assembler, or the second one is what? Interpreter are used to convert the input into assembly language into a machine language. Then goes to the true and false. We can use software without any hardware. Can we use the software without any hardware? No, it's false. Without a software, we can't be able to use the hardware. Our smartphones are general purpose computers. Yes, the smartphones are general purpose computer because nowadays we are going to do work with the mobile phones. Microcomputers are faster than the mini computers. False. Mini computers are faster than the microcomputers. Digital computers do not process memory devices. False. Digital computer possess memory devices. They having the memory devices with them. A code of machine language can be edited easily. False. It's very hard to edit the machine language. Interpreter is a language processor. Yes, it's a language processor because it's going to convert your language into a machine language. So we already done the fill-ups and the true false. All of you have to revise true false and the fill-ups as well and the matchups also. Mini computer, what are mini computers? Scientific research. They are used for scientific research. Microcomputers are the general purpose computers. Mainframe computer, most expensive computers. Mainframe, which are very large. Supercomputer, thousands of users. Whenever we are using, thousands of users are using a supercomputer. Analog computer continuously data are used in analog computers. So this one is about the matchups, true false and fill-ups. All of you have to revise fill-ups, matchups and true false again and again so that you haven't forget at the time of examination. Yes. Now moving forward to the MCQs, multiple choice questions. This computer language use mnemonic codes. We already learned about the mnemonic codes in the assembly language. This computer language is used in artificial intelligence. Which computer language used in artificial intelligence? High generation language. These type of computer are used in petroleum exploration. Which supercomputer? Because they are very expensive or they are very fast. The system software among the following: operate operating system and the language processor. Both of them are used in system software. These type of computer display computer in the form of waves or signals. Which computers are used in waves and signals? Analog computers. Now moving forward to the question and answers. Define programming language. What is programming language? A programming language is a set of commands, instructions and other syntax used to create a software program. Programming language are classified into 5 languages: machine language, assembly language, high level language, fourth generation language and fifth generation language. What are hybrid computers? A hybrid is a combination of digital and analog computer. These computers process both analog and digital data. They are capable of giving inputs and outputs of both digital and analog data. What are mnemonic codes? Assembly language was the second generation language, also a low level language. This language used simply English words known as mnemonic codes. The simple English words which are we using in a programming language are called the mnemonic codes. Name the two level languages. Two level languages are name the two low level languages. Low level languages are what? Assembly language and machine language. Both of them are low level languages. What is debugging? The process of identify and removing of existing and potential errors in a software code that can cause it to behave unexpected or crash. At that particular time period, whenever we are using the programs and sometimes we get the error over there, we are debugging the errors. That means processor identify and removing the existing or potential errors in a software code. What are special purpose computer used? How are special purpose computer useful? These computers are used for a specific application in terms of speed and cost. So this one is all about the revision of the first chapter. So all of you, what you need to do, you have to revise all the question and answers as well as fill in the blanks, true, false, and matchups and MCQs. Right? All of you memorize it, learn it again and again so that you understand the question and answer as well as fill ups, true, false, and matchups and MCQs. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.